Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to add the scroll bar in the top of the header using WoodMart theme. So first you need to create HTML block. Click on the HTML block. Here you can enter the HTML block title and then publish it. Then edit with page builder. If you are using Marquee or Elementor, so I am using Elementor. So here you can select the container and search the Marquee widget and place the Marquee widget. Here you can see this scrolling bar is working. So click on the content area and here you can change the text. I have added the text. Here you can see, and here you can change the speed duration. I want to say like select 13 pixel. Here you can use this effect. Stop the scroll bar when you hover on it. Here you can add the icon with the text. You can upload image or use icon. In the style tab you can change the font family, font size, font weight, etc. I will change the font weight and font size. Here you can see, then update the button. Then navigate to theme setting, click on the general setting, open the header banner setting, enable the option header banner. Here you can enter the banner link. So in the banner content area, choose the banner content HTML block and choose HTML block for this. Here you can set the banner background. I have set the blue color. White, no, I like blue. Here you can set the banner height for desktop, mobile. So then save the button. Then visit the site, refresh the page. Here you can see this, the top bar is showing. You can customize it as per your requirements and add the content as per your requirements. Here you can customize it. You can change the color, change the typography setting. You can change the direction. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.